children, welcome to ASA Education. आज करें एक्सरसाइज नंबर 29, Wren and Martin High School Grammar Book, Chapter 3, Clauses. हर एक सेंटेंस में आपको एडजेक्टिव फ्रेज को रिप्लेस करना है एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज से. पहला है अ मैन ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियस हैबिट्स इज श्योर टू सक्सीड. ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियस हैबिट्स, हु इज of industrious habits. He told us the time of his arrival. The time of his arrival. When he would arrive. Or when he had arrived. The time for departing has now arrived. For departing. When he is to depart. Do you know the road leading to the temple? Leading to the temple, which leads to the temple. I have a box filled with almonds. Filled with almonds, which is filled with almonds. We all admire a man of courage. Of courage, who is courageous. A city on a hill cannot be high. On a hill which is situated on a hill. The people in the gallery could not hear. In the gallery. Who were sitting in the gallery. You can have anything of your liking. Of your liking. That you like. The houses of the Burmans are generally built of bamboo. Of the Burmese or Burmans in which the Burmans live. ये थी एक्सरसाइज नंबर 29. आपको अच्छी लगी, समझ में आई, सब्सक्राइब करिए आसा एजुकेशन. ते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज.